Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Emily. Emily was known for her stubbornness and often didn't listen to her mother's advice. One sunny morning, her mother warned her not to venture into the deep forest near their village. Emily, feeling adventurous, ignored her mother's warning and decided to explore the forest. She thought she could handle it and set off into the dense, mysterious woods. As Emily ventured deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and the path became less distinct. She soon realized she was lost and had no idea how to find her way back home. Panic set in, and Emily started to cry, regretting her decision to disobey her mother. Hours passed, and she couldn't find her way out of the dense forest. Nightfall came, and Emily was terrified, alone, and hungry. In the darkness, she heard the hooting of an owl and the howling of distant wolves. Emily huddled against a tree, feeling helpless and wishing she had listened to her mother. Just when things seemed dire, a search party from the village, led by her worried mother, found her. They embraced her with relief and warmth, thankful to have found her safe and sound. From that day on, Emily learned to respect her mother's advice and never wandered into the forest again, realizing the importance of obedience and the love of her family.